club and everything there. So, sometimes we just play friendly. I'm friendly play regular.
See? We mostly play seasons. Let's say you know a real wicked man then. Season's rough.
You would go play in a league, man.
Which league?
You know the league where they play? No, fight. The man are champion, man. Them things, man.
Yeah, I never know.
Them man there. Yo, them man
No, you have to live funny, you know, man. Through my time. But me can't play fairly good. Fairly good. Not the best, but me can
But
play.
now I say me are the best. Can't play.
Me can't manage.
Patience days, I can play back up online.
Online, man. You see, more you play online, the better.
Yeah, man. But then, alright. What I normally do, just start a league in my community, right? You see me? All of the man them come out. Some man they play FIFA from 98 days and them. Yeah, man. Me I tell you, them man, they hard, man. The boy give me 4-2 the first, man.
Me play them FIFA the team.
Say, yo, I got finals, man. When I'm 22, I got finals. I'm walking back again, you know. I'm 4-1 again.
See, learn.
Can play. I say me a best. Can play. Cause some man there, real.
Play online. You play online, eh? First time I saw play online, I be 5 or 7. A man give me 12 online. One if a hockey game. I play them and move through like a bug. And the man doesn't run fast. And I see him, if I see him, team right. So
I learned some trick shot and
in a FIFA you have something called soft spot. Soft spot. Yeah. And once you reach them position there, you put the power to a particular amount.
you can't miss.
Yeah.
Alright, you see like when they diagonal with the
So like it net to the side, they look a bit closer to the once a curl.
yeah.
Once a curl. Once a curl.
Look here. See net right there, so I hit up on the side here, and that point directly to the corner.
Yeah.
You know what I'm missing?
You use the point. You use the pointer.
Eh?
You use the pointer when I play. Oh.
Yeah, miss. The correct power. I still like them have a new type of shot, you know. You see me? They in a 22. Like when they put the ball, all if in a curl,
Also, outside them for some.
like deep too. You see me?
Like to go some.
Yeah. And when me and play, we will keep that to me.
I think you have to do the quality of play.
We reach a 76 rating.
No, I think like outside of that, like for example, you use like some top.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Sambo, I want a picture with the team. Yeah, here. Once in the ready, I want a picture of the team.
Good.
Make you say this, man. I want to ball him from the senior team was the Glenure.
Oh.
Forget it. I mean, Mr. when you throw it up. We go some man. I say, but wait. I'm taking everybody down there. Cool like that. I'm a weak little friend. Bad. Because them a move 0 to 0. They got a hold for Masters. Look much hold for Masters. And something that about a hold, bad ball. Them technical them still have the little technical issues, but they can't run from this to this and the whole lot. Poor decision. Very, very poor decision. But the court transition in this started. If you play for Jamaica, and I keep watching that. My side. Mash off. Next time I play like they want.
Come to the left. On the field.
Yeah, myself.
Turn left. Come
Straight over.
walk straight. Come down. Yeah, on the ground. You know, see somebody right there, somebody behind you. Under the white tent.
I walk up through the gate.
Good run, keeper. Yo, watch it. This one. Yeah. You referred in a good position. You know, question it. The linesman is in a good position. I never see my chase a come back. He turn up.
Should have never beat you.
Texas and Horses. Somebody came back to the first game.
Oh.
No, you don't have to part.
What a was, man. What's your friend? Why you take the extra touch? Why you take the extra touch? Very efficient. Hello? No? There's more support here gonna keep up. Why you go long? Hold on. Watch it, Mando. Hamstring that. Hamstring that. Really great ball, sir. Decision making now, no matter the bullshit. No sound all lose. Can't catch up. Change, man.
Put my car with the bar. Give my car with the bar and then way behind the man.
I was seeing adaptation. Man, I pass ball, not to look to see. Yep.
You get them out there?
The man, I pass the ball.
Nah, look now.
Just hear advice.
You get was gonna kick over there.
The ball never go over there.
It never go over there.
What's he's not playing the ball now? All of them do a big long ball.
You're not playing a ball.
Kick ball in the danger zone.
Finally.
It worked for them. Get in a danger zone.
Good goal and score.
A good goal and score. I'll cross it back post.
See?
You just run up on him. You can't look back on him. Look back on him. Take a who? Take a Rasta?
Yeah.
I know. And the Rasta jump back.
Incredible.
Maybe,
Dominate, man.
probably tired. I'm arrested.
Probably.
Every game we play now.
Yeah, I do.
So every game we play that.
I do.
But he's very consistent.
Kick it good. He didn't have that foot there. Hurricane, I played everybody the Hurricane. Hurricane, they were slapping over there in that room, you know, right?
Come Excelsior! Come Excelsior! What can do it? Pass, man. No, for win this enough. What do you mean?
Well, man. Can't catch it? Keep on most.
Early. Come! That's the beach now.
You know that fit.
The fits?
Yeah, that fit. I'm not going to
I'm going to drop tempo. Rusty, then I drop tempo. All boy.
Come Excelsior, man. Come on.
That's why them come back, you know, in the game, you know.
They probably win it too.
That's why them come back in the game.
Take boy. Can't catch it?
I mean, the pass, I'm at the goal, I'm at the danger man over there, you know. I'm at the danger man over there.
Yeah, man, it's him.
I'm at the danger man over there.
He's swift, man, and he's skilled.
Number 7.
Yeah, number 7.
I'm at the danger man over there, man.
You see him catch a ball here a while ago?
Yeah, me catch him, man. I don't think he passed me to everything.
And my flow just sick a while ago. They have more time for him.
Where's support in midfield?
Oh, hi, Clint. We need to call
Go inside.
Go! Nice, let's run it up. Wait, how far am I going to go kick the ball? On it. Gone again. Cross comes in. I'm going to try something number 7. Sambo!
Come here, Chuno.
Marche! Accalo! Run it back! Run it back! Come on, let's say.
Yo, walk one. Me not see you, brother. Me not see you. Walk one. I'm going to the gun, which school me there now, you know. Yo, General, Django. No, but you don't know, it's at times like these, we look, we see you out here. Alright, alright.
Go somewhere. Yeah, give him a wine. Yeah, Can't do it again. Well, you can't keep fucking cake. More cake.
Kata. Fire.
You remember that man? Man with the flash.
Yeah, Bob.
White shirt, black pants, man. Hello.
Well, if you have a problem.
Coach. Coach.
Panang ka na? Well, kind of like.
Right, let's have come get that shit. First, you know. Very serious. Very serious. Don't you? Yes, come back.
Yeah. One of them from Chris!
Oh, sorry.
What keeper? Man, a big save that. Big save that. Probably getting a little bit.